I'm Ralf with Bigfoot Training Academy, and I'm here to talk about our new online training options. The best part about online training is that it's at your own pace. The people that typically are going to be signing up for our courses are safety professionals, managers, supervisors, business owners, anybody involved in actually receiving a crane on a job site and having it operating throughout the duration of a project. And these people are all busy and it's not very convenient to come and take the in-person training. So this is a beautiful option for people where you can just pay online and work at your own pace and go through all the different pieces of information and knowledge that you should have as someone who is working with tower cranes on a job site. There are more and more regulations coming and more requirements before, during, and after a tower crane is coming to your site. And this is a nice way to actually understand the full scope of responsibilities and requirements. And by the end of the course, you have access to all the information after the fact. So it's not like an in-person one where you maybe missed something from the instructor. This, you can go back, rewind, watch it again, and it's a better way for some people to learn. And all we want to do is make the product accessible to as many people as possible. So we have an in-person version of this course that runs monthly. We can run them at your location if you have a construction site or an office somewhere. And then again, at your own pace online.